Greetings, welcome. We're at Temple 19 on the 88 Temple Pilgrimage. And for this video, I'm just going to do a quick update on the workshop in Kyoto. We've got the dojo all confirmed. It's one stop for Arashiyama Station, and we're also looking at getting some sort of Airbnb or going out after the workshop for another couple of weeks and staying up in the mountains. So I'm looking for a suitable place for that. Nothing fixed, but for those of you who are staying longer, that'll be a possibility for you to join if you're attending that workshop. Any of the senior students who want to come help teach in the April Kyoto workshop, you're quite welcome to attend and help out. That's appreciated. And if you want to stay on and do a couple of weeks of training up in the mountains, you're welcome to do that as well. Now, I'm here till the 5th of May, and the routine will just be morning practice. I'll give you a bit of advice on the practices that you're doing through the day, but I won't be doing too much formal teaching. It'll just be more practice group for that couple of weeks after the workshop. If you're interested in attending that extra 2 weeks, let me know. So when I look for accommodation, I can find something that can house the right amount of numbers of people. At the moment, there'll be about 3 or 4 people who've said they want to come to that. So it'll be, at the moment, it's a small extra group, but we'll see how it goes with that. Okay, thanks for your time, everyone, and see you on the next video.